Testing, testing. Okay, we good. What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. So y'all gotta excuse that last live stream. Shout out to my bro Pac Man for letting me know the mic wasn't working. Had a few of y'all in the comment section letting me know, but we was on fire, y'all. But make sure when y'all pull up, y'all hit that thumbs up like button. Let's get this stream right back. We were at 50 viewers on the last stream, so let's run this right back up. Share this stream, get this stream out. Shout out to y'all that are pulling up right now. Hit the like button so that way this stream can push out to more people. Now, we were just talking about the overall market. Shout out to Peter for pulling up. Appreciate you for pulling up, bro. We were talking about the overall market and how it is down today. So right now we got it down about 10%. We got Bitcoin at 30,000. Y'all remember back a few months ago, even as we were moving around the all-time highs, I called that we would be going back down to a $30,000 Bitcoin. Don't have a crystal ball, but that's what the chart was showing us it was likely to do in the future. So Ethereum sitting at that 2185 level. It was just at 2180, pumped up to push back over 2190, but now slightly retracing again as the market tapers off. BNB under 280, absolute steal. Y'all know I set my targets at around 10%. If the price is 15% at a discount or more, then that's usually when I'm pulling the trigger. Now you don't have to do this all the time. If you've already reached the amount of the asset you want to hold in your portfolio, then you're good. Or if you don't have the money to buy the dip, then don't worry about it. XRP 42 cents right now. 19% off for the day. Absolute steal. Cardano down to 54 cents. Down 17.6% right now. Absolute steal. This is if you're bullish in crypto. Now, of course, if you don't believe in crypto, if you don't believe in the next 5 years, crypto will be higher than where it is today, then you might not look at this like a discount. But for those of us that, if you were seeing these assets at their all-time high prices and you were looking like, man, I wish I would have bought some of that or some of that or some of that, here's a chance. This is not financial advice. Do your own research in these projects and these assets, tokens, coins, whatever you want to call them, but never risk more than you're willing to lose. That's a very important factor. We got Dogecoin, Solana at 50 bucks right now, down 27% on the day. All these other projects that are, after Bitcoin and Ethereum are being absolutely hammered. We see Bitcoin down about 5.5%, Ethereum down about 8.5%. Everything else is down almost 15% or better. This is absolutely a steal right now. Major discount, a lot of panic, a lot of people are hurt right now. But for those that did this wisely, didn't risk more than you're willing to lose, y'all should be all right. Now, Dogecoin at 8 cents. Sheesh. Super drop from those who bought at all-time highs. They're looking at this like it's an absolute scam right now. But that's why, you don't always invest all your money at one time. If you got $1,000, let's just say that's what you're working with. You don't drop that whole 1,000 at one time. You break that up, dollar cost average into the position. So that way you give yourself the opportunity to buy more at a cheaper cost if it so happens to pull back or corrects from that, bullish momentum you were seeing that hyped you up to get in. Now we got Terra UST down to 66 cents. This is down 27%. Wild. This is supposed to be stable, y'all. This is absolutely bonkers. I feel for those in that one. Polkadot down 22% at $9. Still down 42% for the entire week. That is absolutely crazy. Avalanche down 50% for the week. 32% on the day. $31. If you were bullish on Avalanche before and that has your stance hasn't changed, you should be loading up if you have the funds to do so. Not financial advice, but logically speaking. Tron down 8% for 8.5% for the day to 7 cents. She down to 12. Sheesh. We down 26.7% on the day. Why? Because we follow Ethereum. When Ethereum is being hammered, Shiba Inu is going to be hammered. We can't help it, y'all. There's nothing we can do about that until we break, to our own chain. And even then, when the overall market is down 10%, I don't care if it's Shibarium, whatever, it's still going to be down when the overall market is 10%. Now, of course, we got those outliers that, stand out sometimes here and there. Shiba's done it a few times. But just saying, when we're seeing the entire market basically flipping into a bear market, it's looking like, then it doesn't matter. Everything's going to be seeing some correction. So that's 26% on the day 42% for the week. Sheesh. Let me know, are some of y'all in the comments right now hurt right now about how far down Shiba is? Let me check my comments, see who all pulled up. Salute to y'all. Shout out to No Name. Shout out to Peter. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Let me know, how do y'all feel about this? How do y'all feel about prices being down this far? Are, where's y'all fear levels at? Are y'all panicking or are y'all straight right now? Let me know. Make sure y'all hit that like button so we can get the stream out to more people. If y'all rock with me, please share this stream. If you really rock with me, share this stream with a friend. Invite a friend to come rock with us while we cover these markets real quick. So we got Rule TV. He said, hurting, bro. Still holding over 8 billion. 8 billion sheep. Okay. Jamario Washington said, I sold all my sheep 2 months ago, but loving the dip. Peter said, I bought 5,000 more of sheep yesterday. What's the bottom of sheep, bro? Let's take a look at what what it's likely to pull back to. See, we do actual real, technical analysis. We actually take a look at the charts and, make informed decisions. We're not just out here guessing. So, do we get risky sometimes on other plays? Of course we do. Got to risk it for the biscuit. But let's see what the low is looking like. So right now I'm pulling out our Bollinger Bands. I'm pulling out our relative strength index. I'm going to pull out our MACD, moving average convergence, divergence, and use these tools or indicators in conjunction with each other to, try to determine where the lowest level on the chart is or where a key support level is. So we broke all the way back to those previous October run-ups. So now let's take a closer look in here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Salute to everybody rocking with the channel. Share this stream, y'all. Help get the views back up. We just had over 50 people on the last one. So we're trying to take a look right now to determine, where is SHIB likely to pull back to? Where is that next level of support? Okay, so right now we are finding support here. The next level appears to be at that 8 level, around the 9 or 8 level, y'all. Let me try to get a little closer in. About that 869 range, it looks like. So I would just say, to be safe, around the 8 range, high 8s. If we fall below that, then we can expect to see those 6s. And man, times right now, man, these are the times that show who's really bullish on crypto and who's not, who really believes in crypto overall. I'm looking at this as, buying opportunity for my favorite ones. Of course, I'm not just wilding out. I'm being wise with this. I'm watching things settle, seeing where they fall and catch support. And, I'm also trading options. If y'all haven't checked out my video I dropped this morning showing y'all how you can make over $100 in less than 30 minutes trading options. Now, you can make a lot more than that. You can make a lot less than that. But I made that video just as an example to show y'all what I did on a trade this morning. So if you're interested in learning how to day trade, how to trade options, how to make money when the stock market is down or up, or when the crypto market is down or up, then that course is definitely for you. I got a stock options trading course available. You can reach out, DeMarco@gmail.com. Shout out to those of you that hit me up earlier after that video. But I wanted to know, how do y'all feel? Is this pain hurting y'all right now? Is this making y'all feel like y'all are suffering? Like, let me know. Is this okay for you? Because, matter of fact, this is the question I got. Did you risk more than you're willing to lose in crypto? If you risk more than you're willing to lose in crypto, drop a 1 in the comment section. If you right now are in a position where you have more money in than you're willing to risk losing, drop a 1 in the comments. Let me know. Okay, we got one, no name. We only got one person so far in the stream that says he risks more than he's willing to lose. Okay, we got 2 people, man. What's going on, man? Be honest. Be honest. If you're one of those people that risk more than you're willing to lose right now, drop a 1 in the comment section. I want to know for real. Keep it 100. You know, we're not here to judge or nothing, but hopefully, you know, just to learn. So we got so 3 people say they invested more than they're willing to lose in crypto right now. Now, my next question is, why did you do that? Why did you put in more than you were willing to lose? Now, was it because you were extremely, you know, overly bullish at the time, you know, and you just ended up, you know, having more money in than you expected, or did you not secure profits? And if you just are at the point where you have more in than you're willing to lose because you didn't secure profits, is that money that you invested yourself that is cutting into now, or are you still in the green? Let me know. Might have been a little, you know, Rue said need to retire. Aztec 355 says bullish. Peter says because it's a fantastic buying opportunity for Sheeb. That's why I risked more. I'm still in the green though. Okay, that's good to know. Jamario said we are good students, DeMarco. This time next year, we are going to be celebrating. We are going to be back with a banger. Hey, I definitely agree with that and hope so. No Name says 100%. I've lost a few times. I didn't take profits. Hey, nobody ever went broke taking profits. You got to learn to secure some of those profits, y'all. I really dislike when I don't see, you know, the people that's rocking with me. You know, I see them up. Sometimes I hear some of my students tell me they're up $80,000 on this project, $120,000 on this project. And I ask, did you take profit yet? And they say, no, I'm going to take profit at this level. You aren't guaranteed to be able to take profit at that level. If you're up a certain amount, that's life-changing money or something that, you know, could really help change things, eliminate some debt for you, create some other investment vehicles for you. You should take a cherry off the top for yourself to lower your risk, you know, just to make sure you walk away with something. You know, a W is better than an L, no matter how you put it, even if it's not, you know, as big as a W as you want it to be. Jamario said, but I did lose on Crow. Tony Troll said, what are we thinking about the crash? I'm thinking it's a crash, y'all. I'm thinking, you know, it's looking like if we hold Bitcoin under 29K, matter of fact, I'm going to give y'all the exact numbers. Hold on. Let me catch up with these comments real quick. Rue, hit me up, Rue. Let me know. Send me an email or something. Let me know what you got going on. Aztec 355 said Voltage 2. Just got my Vote Inu shirt. Shout out to the Volt Army. Okay, definitely email me. Y'all got ideas, you know, something y'all want to talk business. Exactly. Jamario Washington said, play with house money. When it's risky like that, when you're first building up your portfolio, you want to play with house money as often as possible before you start trying to be even more risky with your own funds. So when you're up in profit, secure that profit, y'all. So it might, you know, yes, you have the opportunity to diamond hand and make more, but that's where you have to know, did you invest, especially if you invested more than you're willing to lose? If you invested an amount that you're willing to let go to zero, or, you know, whatever your goal is, 100K, 1 million, whatever it is, if you're saying I'm a diamond hand this to it turns to million, then that's different because you're willing to lose that entire amount. But for those of you who invested, you know, 10K, 20K, 50K, 100K into certain projects, and you know, that was more than you're willing to lose, and you're not taking profits when you're up, y'all are crazy, man. Y'all got to get some of them profits off the table. You know, you don't want to be left holding the bag. Remember, this is a device to transfer money from other people to other people. So some way, shape, or form, money is being transferred. You don't want it to be your money. You want to secure, get your at least your principal investment sometimes off the table. It's different strategies to do it depending on what your strategy is. But with like, let's say it's a risky play. Say y'all inside my private Facebook group. If I call one of those risky plays, I'm not just diamond handing a risky play. Why would I just diamond hand something that is extremely risky? Now, will I buy it and hold for a certain period of time? Yes, but once I get my profits, I'm taking some profits. I'm not gonna just sit there, and let all my profits erase off the table, and and I'm sitting there looking like, man, I wish I would have, took some home. No, that's not the way to do it. Because that happens too many times, you'll end up getting wrecked. You'll end up losing your entire portfolio. So always secure some profit. Nobody ever went broke securing profit. But No Name says, but now I'm tapped in with people like yourself and learning the right way. Salute. Troy says, I wish I would have secured. I learned a good lesson. Rue said, I scalped 20% profits during November. Good work. Good work. Definitely. You got to collect some profits. I need y'all to share this stream out right now. We need to get some more viewers in here. So if y'all really, one of the soldiers in the army and y'all rock with me, share this stream, help get this out to more people. More people need to know about this information. More people need to be informed about crypto now before the markets are pumping again. Imagine your family members, friends who get to get into the markets now at these low prices. They will be absolutely grateful for, you putting them on with this opportunity at this time. With BNB down 31% for the week, imagine you put somebody on BNB at 270 and they, hold it until it's back around 400, 450. You know what I'm saying? That's going to be, something really nice. Even Shiba Inu, we're down to that 12 level. Now, do I want to see the prices this low? Of course not. I wish we were still mooning. Everything was mooning, but this is a part of the markets. There are corrections. So you have to be strategic. When it's up, the name of the game is buy low, sell high. If you never sell, you never make anything. Just like, the saying goes, you never lose until you sell. Well, guess what? You never make anything until you sell either. So you never really win until you sell. So keep that in mind also. Now, yes, you run the risk of selling early and things could explode after you sell. But, I don't say sell in everything entirely, but just secure, minimize some of your risks. That's what I will say. Everybody's risk tolerance is different. Some people can say, I just want to secure my principal investment. Some people say, I only put in what I'm willing to lose, so that's nothing to me. But whatever it is, you want to have that plan before you go into it. Keep that in mind. So salute to the people we got in here right now. We got to get the stream up, man. Share this stream out. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is looking. Well, we just called the lows for SHIB, looking like SHIB might touch that 9 to 8 level. And then after the 9 or 800s, it'll go down to that 600 level if it continues to pull back, if the overall market continues to retrace. We're seeing a complete reset right now. Bitcoin's next. It just broke back into 29,921. Its next support levels around that 24, 25,000 range, roughly. $24, we got that 24 range, and then right after that, that $20,000, $19,000 range. That is going to be some wild times, y'all. If we pull back all the way back there, y'all can expect to see some pain. But guess what smart money will be doing? Smart money will be buying up the dip. Smart money will be establishing positions. Salute. Shout out to y'all. Whatever y'all doing is working. The viewers are going up. Whatever y'all doing is working. The views are going up. So I need y'all that's rocking with me to keep sharing this. If y'all just pulled up on this, make sure you hit that thumbs up like button. Salute to y'all. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. We almost got 50 viewers in here, y'all, with not even 20 likes. Man, what's going on? Y'all got to rock with me. Let's get those likes up. We talking about making money here. You know, an exciting thing about this is, you know, we're really establishing something here. We're building our portfolios. We're building our net worth. And, you know, the channel is going to take a few different directions. You know, we're talking about crypto. We started off with, you know, stocks and stock options, day trading. If y'all weren't here in the early days when I used to talk about that on the channel, but we're going to also start going into real estate, you know, showing y'all the process of buying some properties, possibly some fix and flips, some wholesale, some you know, so a few different things in real estate, setting up some Airbnbs as well. You know, we got to get all over the market, y'all. So share this information, let people know this is the place to learn, you know, about investing, to learn about you know, just improving yourself overall and making money. So let's see, with the market issues and instability at this rate, anyone thinks she will lose another zero? It's possible, man. It is possible. If Jamario said if BTC drops to 24,000, what about ETH? Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look at that. What is ETH likely to pull back to if it continues to fall? That's important to know, because these two, you know, they say where the head goes, the body will follow. Bitcoin is kind of the head of the market. The body is the rest of the market. So where Bitcoin goes, where the head goes, the body will follow. So let's take a look. It's looking at 2061, and then 1938, and then 1700. It's looking like ETH might go to 1700 if it continues. So we got, of course, you know, that 2000 level. The next level is right at that 2000 level. And then 1938, then just about around that 1747 range. And then we got 1580, 1569, 1570. And then 1367. So it can get absolutely bloody. We only got a little bit further to go before we are, you know, basically things are bare at the moment. But I wouldn't say just, you know, just yet. At 29,000 though, y'all, we hold this 29,000. We in a bear market, y'all. It's kind of hard to call it because, you know, Bitcoin can flip and run up 8-9K in one day, then the next day another 5K, and we be sitting back around you know, $43,000 of Bitcoin, you know. So this might be opportunity, but it doesn't seem like we're seeing a lot of buying pressure, you know, step in here. Let's take a look at the volume on Bitcoin. The volume will kind of give us an indication. Well, we see a lot of people selling. Ton of people panic selling right now. It's nearing that bottom. Bitcoin is nearing that bottom where it's looking like it wants to hit 29, about 29.17, I'll say. Let me look at it all the way as close as possible. 28.993. It's looking like 28.993. So, you know, we still got some ways, y'all. Which coin is hurting you the most that's down? Which coin or which token are you holding in your portfolio that is down the most, that's causing you the most, you know, grief, suffering, pain, whatever feeling or emotion you might be going through right now? So we got 46 people in here, only 23 likes, y'all. I need y'all to get those likes up, man. I need y'all to get those likes up if y'all rock with me. Oh, Troy says Shiba, NR says Solana. Dallas Blockchain said none. I prepared. Salute. NR says just waiting for a drop to buy more Shiba. Michi said this is the best thing that could happen. This is when millionaires are made for bear markets, loving it. And even y'all got to think about it. Even if you're shorting the market on the way down, you could still make a killing. How many of y'all know how to do put options? Drop a one in the chat if you know how to do put options. If you know how to trade put options, drop ones real quick. Let me know. Let me see. Let me gauge that real quick. Jamario says Solana and Crow hit me. Ooh, Taco Sauce said Luna. Sheesh. I feel for those with Luna, y'all. I ain't gonna cap. Luna is absolutely wilding the F out right now. Wilding the out, y'all. Like, I believe Luna went down, y'all, 90 something percent. Like, let's take a look. Luna is down 95%. Sheesh. It's at $1.32. Let's take a look where Luna is likely to pull back to now. Man, you could just load up on, let's say just rug the entire thing. Luna is an absolute buy right now. You can't beat this. It was just literally almost, it was just $120 April 11th. April 5th, April 11th, somewhere around that time, y'all. Like crazy. The next lowest level, we can't even call it with Luna. Luna hasn't been this low since 2020. So we got Luna pulling back to 2020 lows. You can basically buy Luna at the price it was 2 years ago. That is an absolute discount. You can see the exchanges that they have it on here, so you can buy it. I believe Binance froze trading on it for a moment yesterday too. That was or the day before yesterday. That was a little, I don't like when they do that. I mean, I understand, but man. Okay. Do I think SHIB can hit 1 cent in 2023? At this rate, the way I think 2022 is going to play out, it's not looking too good for that. With the level of burn that we're getting, I'm not seeing a 1 cent SHIB in 2023. At least not the first, quarter or first half, maybe for sure. Now, there could be some developments that come, but just, from my perspective, if you ask me, honestly, do I expect or do I feel like there will be a 1 cent SHIB in 2023 at this moment? I would say no. I don't think so at 2023. Can I call it? Do I have a crystal ball? No. Will I still be holding SHIB in 2023? Absolutely. Because I don't want to miss out just in case we do have a 1 cent SHIB in 2023. So keep that in mind. But we have 50 viewers, y'all. I need y'all to get those likes up, man. We are still we have 29 likes. If y'all rock with me and y'all pulling up, hit that like button. Let's get those likes up. So okay, Mishi said he knows how. Taco Sauce said, is that the same as margin trading? You can use margin trading when you're trading options, but options trading or trading puts or shorting the market is not just necessarily margin trading. I'm not sure which one you're talking about, Dallas blockchain. Which coin goes back to 120? What is that? 500x. Okay, shout out to Taco Sauce for answering that. It's not necessarily the same as margin trading. So basically trading put options is betting that the price will fall. So you're betting that you believe, you're saying that I believe the market is going down right now. So I'm going to place a bet or placing an option. I'm gonna buy an option contract that is saying that the market is likely to move in a down direction. You could do that on separate stocks. You could do it on the SPY. You could do it on different things, and make money as the markets fall. So keep that in mind. Every time one of these social media apps, Facebook, Twitter, does something wild and they drop a lot for the day, I make a killing. Every time. I'm right there waiting on it. Every time I hear some drama with a company, something going on, I'm right there waiting, to short it. Not with every single company, but that's a strategy you want to add to your repertoire in case in case the markets are looking like right now, you still have the opportunity to make money. So we got 50 viewers, y'all. I need y'all to get these. We got over 50 viewers. I need y'all to get those likes up. If y'all are one of the soldiers in the army, y'all really rock with me, man. Share this stream. Help get this out. This information needs to be out. More people need to get into crypto at this time, not when everybody's parading flags of how much gains they have all over social media, because that's when people buy the top. If you want to do your part, and you really want to put your people on, right now is the time to get them into crypto. You might have to pull them, you might have to shake them, you might have to, do whatever you got to do, but get them to pay attention now while the prices are low, because they'll be in and able to take this ride back up, y'all. So a lot of people will sit there and wait until, let's say they bought in at all-time highs. They'll wait until prices go back again above all-time highs. What you could be doing right now is buying the dip, and then that way when price returns to just before where it was before everything started to tank, you would already be done broke even. You got to be smart about this, y'all. It's your money. I want to just help you be wiser with it. So Superman Gaming says, don't be afraid of this downtrend. Hold on, let me turn this a little bit so I can read that better. Okay. Don't be afraid of this downtrend. Remember, when we were at all-time high, didn't you want to see the drop? Make it count. This is your chance to make it. Exactly. On that point right there. Think about when prices were at the all-time highs, right? When you seen Bitcoin at the all-time high, when you seen Shiba at the all-time high. Don't cap. Do not lie. Didn't you wish you bought more when it was cheaper? When Bitcoin, when Ethereum, when all these were at its all-time high, did you or did you not wish that you bought more when it was cheaper? That's basically what's happening right now. This is that opportunity. The fear index is absolutely fearful. But what did Warren Buffett say? When the markets are fearful, be greedy. And when the markets are greedy, be fearful. Right now, the markets are absolutely fearful. Guess what the rich people are doing? Smart money is doing. Wise money is doing. They're being greedy right now. They're being greedier than you ever seen. It doesn't look like it because prices are still falling, but they're loving it. They're just grabbing a dip. Why? Because once prices return back to just a standard price, they already made a lot of money. You don't have to wait for all-time highs. I need y'all to get that in your mind. You do not have to wait for an all-time high to start making money. You buy the dip. As the price raises, you make money from that. You make money from that percentage increase. Don't wait for it to go all the way back above the all-time high again. You'll be waiting too long to make money, y'all. So if you don't know how to do that or understand what I'm saying, I got a couple courses available that will teach all that. I got my technical analysis course. It will teach you how to interpret the data on the charts, how to get good entries, when to buy, when to sell, how to use the indicators, how to use the tools, how to understand chart patterns, how to understand candlesticks. It will teach you all that. So share this stream. Let's get this information out. Right now is the time for your family, your friends, those that ignored you the first time. This is their chance to get in now and start to make some money. We got almost 70 people in here, not even 40 likes. I'm dropping some gems right now. I'm really sharing some important information that y'all should be sharing. If y'all rock with me, hit the like button. Let's get this information out. This is really, really serious information. Right now is the time. Right now is the time to get your game plan together, to figure out exactly what you're bullish on. How bullish are you? Because now you get the chance to get it at prices that people haven't seen for over a year. So it's your chance right now. Let's see. Taco Sauce said, to be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing, LOL. I started trading in 2017, but I'm still all self-taught from YouTube videos and stuff. So basically, I feel like I'm betting on whether the price is going up or down. That's why you want to, continue that education. If you've been into since 2017, you should have learned some, good gems by now. But, you want to just continue learning, never stop learning. And, always look to level up. What you should try to do is improve your knowledge and your game 1% each day. If you do that 1% each day, you just get better 1% each day. in 90 days, 3 months, you know, or a little bit more, you'll be 100% better than where you started off. Keep that in mind, y'all. Just 1% better per day. Shout out to Harlan for pulling up on us. Salute. Jamario says buy low, sell high, take profits. Exactly. Peter Ferraro said, did you buy more sheep today? No, I haven't yet. I haven't today. But I'm definitely setting it in my sights though, y'all. I'm definitely setting it in my sights. It's looking like we might pull back to that 9 level though. I think we might add a 0 on sheep, y'all. The way it is looking, if this continues tomorrow, we add a 0 on sheep. Just, you know, just guessing, not trying to FUD, not trying to, you know, y'all know I'm sheep, army 10 toes down, but I got to keep it real with y'all. That's what it's looking like. Asher says, bro, no hate, no disrespect. I follow you from a long time, but my TA says BTC is 12 to 15K in the next 5 months. Mark my words, bro. Just want you to know. Look, appreciate you, bro, for the comment. I don't take that as hate or disrespect or anything. And when I'm giving my number, I'm saying more in the short period of time. I'm not saying in the next 5 months. I'm saying these numbers look like they might pop up in the next week. You know what I'm saying? So that was more of a short-term analysis. But you could be right. I didn't look that far out into the next 5 months on what I believe it'll do. Salute to Laventa. Dallas Blockchain said this will continue. I got Bitcoin at 6,700. Congratulations, man. Salute. Boomer says, can Luna come back? If the Luna regulators buy up the supply, would that help? Don't know how many holders there are. To be honest, Luna to come back from it won't come back like in any time in a short period of time. It's not going to just turn around 90% like that. Too many people will have, and I'm just speaking from a marketing standpoint, understanding, you know, how people's emotions work. You know, think about it. If you put your money into an asset and it dropped over 90%, especially if you didn't do too much due diligence and you seen it drop 90%, would you be likely to want to keep your money in there or jump back in? A lot of people are going to stay away from it after seeing that. You know, a lot of people that, you know, are new or just might not have as much experience, that might have scared them off from Luna, to be honest. Now, you know, if the market turns around and everything starts pumping again, yes, it could pick back up. But I think that one will have one of the hardest times recovering. If I'm being honest, I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not saying sell it. I'm not saying this is financial advice. I'm just telling you my opinion from being inside these markets. I haven't ever seen anything just recover 95% in a short period of time. I've never seen that. Let's see, where is it at right now? So it dropped to 41, set $1.41, 95 down 94.5% on a day. It's absolutely bonkers, y'all. Absolute steals all across the market. Let's take a look at crypto news and see the headlines for today. See top headlines. See what everyone is saying. Coinbase earnings were bad. Worse still, the crypto exchanges now warning. So we seen Coinbase lose almost $500 million this quarter. Crypto market bloodbath. Coinbase warns it could take users' crypto into bankruptcy. EU Commission favors ban on large-scale stable coins. Crypto winter may be harsh for Coinbase. Coinbase loses half its value in a week as crypto slumps. Absolute pain in the market, y'all. But those with fresh dry powder, that's all I always say, keep a little cash to the side. You know, keep a little cash. You know, that way you can take advantage of these buying opportunities. You know, take profit when it's high and set some cash to the side. So that way, when things fall like this, you got money to go be greedy. So this is absolutely fun right now. Of course, it's a painful time for some, but for me, it's just like my brain is just kind of firing off, taking all this information in, seeing how all this data reflects in the market, how all, these, things that are happening cause the, price to reflect, in the way that it is, so that way I can add all this to my knowledge for the future going forward, because the markets tend to repeat themselves in some ways, not 100% all the time, but as you get familiar with being in the market, you can recognize certain patterns like, okay, we've entered, into a bear market, or this is, I think things have actually turned back around, or, you can start to gauge where we are and where we're heading once you go around the block a couple times. So right now, this is just exciting that we're getting something new, something that, the price isn't trading stagnant, it's doing something new for us. Of course, we're all losing a little money right now on some of our positions that we're holding, but if we didn't risk more than we're willing to lose, we're good. Shout out to I Am Dip for the super chat. Appreciate that. Said, what is your understanding of ISO 2022? I'm not sure what that is, bro, to be honest. Let's check that out real quick. So it's an international standard for exchanging electronic messages between financial institutions. Other cryptos that are compliant with ISO 20022 include XDC, Algorand. What ties all of these cryptos together and differentiates them from non-compliant cryptos is their focus on streamlining international wire transfers. So what exactly are you asking about it? Like, what do I think about that? I think, like, what more are you asking? What do you want to know specifically? Exactly. Just so I make sure I'm answering the question correctly. Boomer Sooner says, I'm excited, actually. I hope she gains a zero. That's kind of how I'm feeling. I don't want it, of course, I don't want things to tank, but, we were smart during this time. We're ready to take advantage of, our favorite assets at this point. If we were buying SHIB, at the 35 levels, and all these other levels, then, but then, why wouldn't you buy now? Especially if you still believe in it. It's just a even cheaper price to be able to buy in it. Remember what happened in October when everybody was happy? We're going to get those times again. Peter Ferraro said, I have money in Coinbase December. What should I do? Should I switch to a different platform? Now, what I never have all my eggs in one basket. So I recommend, if all your eggs are in one basket, separate them. Diverse, put a little couple eggs in this basket, a few eggs in that basket, few eggs in that basket, few eggs in that basket, especially with crypto and how likely it is to be hacked and targeted. There's no way you should have all your crypto, even all your stocks, in one exchange. I'm against that. I'm definitely against putting all your eggs in one basket, because all it takes is for you to click one bad link, for you to connect to one bad website, mistakenly thinking it's something to help you, and you're toast. Everything is gone. Everything you worked for is gone. So please do not put everything in the same basket. That's why y'all need to share this stream. Get this stream out so more people can understand, how to be smarter when it comes to investing. Right now is the prime opportunity to learn about it. Prime opportunity. If you're new to crypto right now, congratulations. Congratulations. Why? Because you just missed basically an expensive time when prices were a lot more expensive. People were paying for a lot more expensive Bitcoin prices than you're seeing right now, a lot more expensive ETH prices than you're seeing right now. Shiba Inu is a lot more expensive than you're seeing right now. So if you just got into the markets, congratulations. You get an opportunity to take advantage of what we call the dip. The dip is what you want to see. This is one psychology thing that I noticed in the market. A lot of people, when they look at the chart and they see red, right, with traffic lights, we're programmed, and taught to believe green means go, red means stop. So when people see the chart and they see those green candles going back to back, just bullish, just, you know, going parabolic, in people's minds, that says buy, that says go, that says let's get it, that says buy some. When the chart is red and those candles are dropping, 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 that signals in people's minds, stop, no, don't buy. When actually it should be the reverse. When you see it red like that and you see it absolutely falling, that's a chance when you want to buy it. When it's green and it's pumping, that's when you're likely to get played if you buy in at the high price, because you can buy it while it's high and the price will fall on you right after you buy it. Have y'all ever noticed you bought something and you like, how did they know to drop the price as soon as I bought it? How did they know when I bought in to drop the price? Most likely you were looking at the chart, you seen those green candles come in, you didn't know how to do technical analysis. I'm just keeping it real. And you said, I'm gonna buy it now because I see the price going up. I see it green, now I'm gonna buy it. Most people, that wise investors, are shorting at that time because they know that's when dumb money steps in. They bet that it goes down at that point because most people don't know. So just wanted y'all to see that. But salute. Shout out to everybody for pulling up. Michi said Luna stablecoin was at 33 cents yesterday, but up to 64 today. But I don't think it will stay away. A lot of other great projects. I dropped 100 on Luna at 104. We'll see where it goes. Okay, that was a smart move. Look what he did. He risked. Let me ask you this, Boomer Sooner. Was $100 an amount you're willing to risk losing? If that was, then congratulations. You did it smart. You did smart investing. You bought the dip on something that is super discounted and put in an amount that you're willing to lose. We got over 70 people in here. Let's get those likes up if y'all rocking with me. We're doing numbers, sharing some positive, valuable information that somebody should find useful. Even if this information is just like, some of this, some people still find it good just to get reassurance, just to hear, somebody else who's in the market, possibly feeling the same way or similar to how you're feeling, and, getting their thoughts on that. If you're one of those people that appreciate that, then help me get this stream out, share this. We should have over, 100 people in here. We're talking about making money, building our net worth, growing our portfolios. This is a very important topic. So salute to y'all that are just pulling up. Make sure y'all hit that like button. We got almost 80 people in here. 65 likes though. That's off. That's off. We gotta, balance that out real quick. The more people we get, learning about crypto, the more people we get in this space. Think about it. A lot of people, think about this real quick. A lot of people got a lot of their friends and family into crypto during the last bull run when everything was at the height. Now, a lot of those people are disappointed. They did it kind of backwards. I was putting people up on crypto and all this before the run up, before the major breakout. This is your chance to do it right. Put your people up on it now so that way they get the opportunity to take advantage of the low prices before everything goes back up. We got almost 80 people in here. I need y'all to get those likes up. We're talking some real deal stuff right now. We're talking about some real money-making opportunities. If y'all are serious about y'all money, hit that like button. So salute to IMDPP for the $20 super chat. Said ISO 20 coins have built in utility, and the International Monetary Fund have been pushing for the change of the international payment system. The stage is already set, and the transition starts in November 2022. So yeah, we seen the IMF trying to gain some control of the crypto markets. We seen them with, who was that? I forgot which country that was, but somebody just received basically $45 billion from the IMF, which is the International Monetary Fund, to basically, put a ban on basically crypto trading and, allow them to get in where they fit in. That's basically what we're seeing happening. So they basically like, y'all want to make $45 billion right now to let us, do our dance, let us control things? Or do y'all want to try to play this crypto game and make this money yourselves throughout fees over a larger period of time? And, we seen this country say, we'll take the 45 billion. But really, I don't really feel any type of way about that. I don't want to see these big players, banks start to centralize things too much. But I think we're already, with what we already created in this market, decentralized DeFi will be here, forever now. The recipe has already been, released. Could it help? Could that, could what they're trying to do help by bringing, regulation or bringing more solid, less volatility, or, something more that the government can regulate? That might help for the overall crypto market in one way, but, I'm not really sitting back waiting or caring too much of the big institutions. Am I watching what they do? Of course, because they affect the market. But me personally, I'm just playing it how it goes. I'm just here to make money, share this information with y'all, because before I started sharing this information, I noticed there weren't, of course, there's people all over the internet doing everything. But for the areas or the circles that I was tapping in, there weren't too many people sharing this type of information. So I'm like, we got to get this information out. Akan Cryptos Nation says, after the crash is when millionaires are made. Ask yourself, did you want to become a crypto millionaire? Did you want to become a crypto millionaire? If your answer is yes, this is the time you get serious. This is the time you do not give up. This is the time you really put your ear to the ground, your ear to the streets, and find out what's happening, because there is an overall correction in the market. And it's basically allowing you a chance to get in where other people haven't been able to for a while, y'all. So get this stream out, share this stream, get this information out. This is very important. King Virgo says, waiting to see if Shiba gains a 0. If it does, I'm putting 500 in. If it doesn't, I'll catch it at a good discount price. Mick Zev says, major sale on everything. It's a beautiful red river. Haha. BTC just broke down to 25. Here we go. Let's take a look at that. Did we get Bitcoin at 25? Because we just called that 24 level. Let's see, did it? It's still at 29 for me right now. Let's see, did it wick down there or something? If we see Bitcoin at 25 today, the market will go into a panic. And I'm going to just let it fall all the way down and just come in with my bag, just scooping up stuff like, thank you, 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 thank you. But, that's investing. Buy low, sell high. King Virgo said, is anyone buying Maker on this dip? Vote Inu is definitely going to be a much bigger name in 2022. I believe a lot more people will learn about it. Of course, the overall market is being dragged down right now. Nothing we can do about that. Peter Ferrero says, we will add a lot of new holders if SHIB adds a 0. Larry says, dude, I'm sitting on 362 million of SHIB and 591 million of Vote. Yeah, my kid's going to be rich when I pass the torch. Dr. Jung said, these markets are designed to squeeze the normal consumer out. Stay in. Exactly. And it'll happen. The markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So they'll literally walk it all the way down and they'll hold it there. If you did it, they'll hold it there past the time to pay bills. They'll hold it there past the time where you run into emergency. They'll hold it there past the time when holidays come up. They'll hold it there past the time when, just all these different times that, in people's psychological levels, they're waiting for the price to rise. Before that, they'll keep it down there and, really shake people out. Oh, yeah, that was Argentina. Shout out to Michi for that. Asa said, I just want Shiba to go down to that one level, which is almost there, so I can buy 250K SHIB for $250. Just a man 04 says, thoughts on Terra Luna. I think, to be honestly, I ain't do too much research into the dip, why it's falling this much, but to see it fall 90+%, 95%, I think is really bad for it. I think it's it's an opportunity, to get more. Definitely, I'm considering buying some right now, to be honest. To see it go from over $120 in like 2 weeks to $1 or something. D1 said if Bitcoin goes to 25, I'll cry. That's ridiculous. Hey man, like that's the markets, man. To be honest, I feel you. Only reason why I can be, optimistic in this time is because I took my own advice. I didn't risk more than I was willing to lose. So I'm okay. I'm still in the green. I'm still in the green on the majority of my positions. Yes, we lost a lot of value in our portfolio, but we got multiple bags. We don't just have one different one thing that's sitting there and we're like, oh, if this goes down, it's all over for us. Like you're supposed to develop multiple bags. Take profit off the table, have some cash reserves. So that way you could take advantage of buying opportunities like this. But yeah, that's just that's all a part of the game, y'all. Salute to Jamario. Appreciate you for pulling up on us. King Virgo said, how low do you think Apecoin will fall? Let's take a look. We said Bitcoin can go to around that 24 to 25 range. And then if it goes lower than that, then back to that 19 range. Okay, so let's see. Let's take a look at Apecoin real quick. We finally, I told y'all to take profits on Apecoin, but we're finally back under that point where we bought in at. So yes, I'm still holding some. Yes, I am still holding some Apecoin. We got this one at $8. Now it's down to $5.50. If you believe in this project long term, if you believe in the Bored Ape ecosystem, the whole thing they got going on over there, the other side metaverse, then this is an opportunity to load up on this. You see, a lot of people did buy this yesterday. A lot of volume was high. The price did fall, but people were buying. Today, the markets pushed it down even further. But, that's a part of the game is, when things pull back, they will snap back the other way. So how low do I see Apecoin going right now at this point? Apecoin can go all the way down to $1. To be honest, that's what it's looking like. Do I want it to go to $1? No. Let's take a closer look because I don't want to scare y'all. Apecoin can go to $1, y'all. It can go to about $1.14 I'm seeing, or around 80 cents. So Apecoin can get real ugly for Apecoin. It can get ugly for the things are ugly right now. We might have just hit that crypto winter, where things might be looking this way for a while. And then we'll really have to scalp and get risky and snatch some plays out here and there. So salute to y'all. We got almost 90 viewers in here. Let's get those likes up. We only got 80 likes with 86 people. Y'all just pulled up on me. Make sure you hit that like button if y'all are rocking with me. Apecoin Crypto said, I'm glad I picked up overtime. Hey, no cap. Like, this is a time where you need to be figuring out how to get some funds together so you can take advantage of this buying opportunity. This is not financial advice. Don't panic. Don't go risking your house. Don't do nothing crazy, but go figure out how to get some extra money so that way you can have some extra funds to take advantage of this dip, y'all. So salute. Make sure y'all share this stream. Let's get this stream out. Let's get this to over 100 viewers. We got 90 people on here. I'm sure some of y'all have some connections to some communities where you can share this and get this stream over 100 viewers. What we're talking about is very important. It is a very important time. I'm going to be telling y'all when we're back at all-time highs and everybody's, excited, and, we got those people that jump into the market and say, they're mad because they're down because they bought the high. I'm going to just point back to this live stream and I'm going to ask, why didn't you get, into the markets, or why didn't you start learning or take things serious during this time? So share this stream. Share the stream with somebody that you want to learn about it. So that way you can say, at the very least, I tried to tell you. You can say you at least did your part with trying to put them on game. Now, if you didn't do anything during this time and it's a good buying opportunity, then, you might just be so beat up by the markets that you're not even able to think straight. But if, let's say you're down, you get the opportunity to put your people on and say, hey, y'all, I'm down right now, but y'all get to come get these same assets that I believed in at a discounted price. I could tell y'all why I believe in them. I could, show you my research and the things that I've seen. Right now the overall market is down, but right now it's a very good time to take advantage of this. So, share this, get this out, so that way they can't say that nobody told them. That's my biggest thing. At least somebody told you. You can take it at your own pace. Get more serious about it whenever you're ready. But you at least can say somebody told you, somebody exposed you to this information, somebody let you know what was possible. Because a lot of y'all just started, so y'all don't know that because the market is down right now, that this is a good sign, a good time for you to start buying. A lot of people might come in and might start learning about it right now and just automatically see everything down. And even though they don't even have that much money in the market right now, they could just be feeling the pain of everybody else. So that's why I'm trying to share this information. So salute to Bobby Trizzle. He said, I got you. Shout out to Bobby Trizzle. I guess he got one of those, tapped into one of those communities. Help get this stream over 100 viewers. Y'all share this. Let's get this out. This is important information. Seriously. Bought Shiba at 26 about 2 weeks ago, and now I averaged down to 18. Congratulations. Shout out to Life with Maine. That was smart right there. That's smart investing, bro. That's how you do it. All the time, you're not going to be able to always get the best entry. You're not going to always be able to get the cheapest price when you buy in. The price could pull back. The markets could do something crazy. Some type of catalyst could happen that, pull things back. A big scare in the market could happen. But what you can do is be smart about it and average down. So that way you lower the average cost that you bought in at. That's important to do. It's important to, look at your positions and understand where you're at, where you got in at. All that is important. Aaron Phillips said, halved my average price per bag, doubled most of my bags, tripled a couple. Don't be sad, just buy. Get that bag bigger. Discounts all around. I got to agree with you on that, bro. Shout out to Aaron Phillips. Now, hopefully you didn't do that with more money than you're willing to lose. Make sure you only do it with money that you're willing to lose. So that way, if the price pullbacks even further, you could still buy more, or you're still, comfortable. Dark Eagle said, what do you think about long-term Cardano? I'm bullish on Cardano long-term because Cardano, there's a lot of different projects being built on top of Cardano right now. We're just seeing the overall market, be beat up right now. And there's nothing we can do about that but sit on our hands or, research other projects that have the potential, certain projects that you've seen doing really well before this crash. Look into them. See what they have to offer. See what the utility is. And then, you could potentially, start bags on those newer assets that you haven't had a chance to get while everything is down. So salute to B-Niz. He said, what up, bro? Just put my mom onto your channel. She new to crypto. Salute to you, bro. Appreciate that. Shout out to moms. Shout out to everybody. I got my mom learning about crypto, my granny learning about crypto, because it's important. It's important. They're that retirement money ain't retirement money won't be around for everybody, and it won't be, and the money that is around won't be enough for everybody. So you want to make sure you take your future into your own hands, and you make sure that you have something in the future for yourself, so that your future self can thank you. So let's see. Salute to everybody for pulling up. Crypto Epidemic says, I say stuff to the fam all the time, and all I hear is I am dumb and wasting my time. And I'll tell you what, I can't wait until the day my pockets are overflowing and I got to tell them I told you. Just stay down for the come up, man. Just be wise. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose. But, a lot of my subscribers, a lot of people that rock with me inside my private investment community on Facebook, we've all been through that already. We were in those stages where we were telling everybody, and we caught, 2 major bull runs after, we started talking about it on YouTube. So, and I'm talking also major bull runs, where we were buying those dips and it rewarded us during the times when the all-time highs came. So hopefully y'all did the right thing and, took a little bit of profit. Of course, a couple of people did it. But I always recommend taking some profit. Aaron said, my dad laughed at me. That was in 2016. He don't laugh no more. You see, You know, time in the market beats timing the market. All it's going to take is some time. Just give it some time. Think about how many years people give to all different kinds of, you know, hobbies or, you know, professions or skills or trades to learn something. Give this that time as well. Give learning about investing and learning how these markets work. Actually give that some time and see, you know, if you don't come up in the next, you know, year or two. It ain't gonna happen overnight. You could get lucky and it happen overnight, you know, especially those people that if they get in right now, not saying it's gonna happen overnight, but let's say everything returns to regular prices tomorrow. The people that bought today would, you know, be extremely happy. So my thoughts on Luna, Avalanche, everything is down right now. I think it's a buying opportunity. Those are Avalanche and Luna. I believe, you know, from my understanding, they were solid projects. Just because the market is down right now doesn't make those, you know, projects not solid anymore. You know, if I was invested in Luna right now already, then you know, yes, I'd be salty. I'd be down 90%, but I don't hold any Luna. So right now, I'm looking at Luna like a very you know, good opportunity right now. Jamaria Washington says so many good stocks at a cheap rate right now, like getting a Benz S-Class for the cost of a Kia Forte. I got to agree with you on that right now. Think about it. B&B under $270. That's definitely a Kia. You definitely getting a Kia S-Class for a Kia price right now. Larry says, I believe Volt will make people wealthy before she. To be honest, bro, Sheeb already made a lot of people wealthy. No cap. So it'll be a little, you know, it's too late for that. Not saying Volt can't still make people wealthy, but, or unless you mean before this, the next time it does it. But Sheeb already made a lot of people wealthy. See, Jamario Washington said, man, Sheeb got me paid last year. See, Crypto Epidemic said, take a cherry off the top. Aaron Phillips said, financial institutions are buying in. Watch, let them get their scraps and it's gonna fly. I agree. No Name said, and people say stable coins are stable. Yeah, that's kind of crazy what we're seeing right now with UST. We're seeing can't even think right now. Tether hold, but Terra, or not Terra, but UST. $0.68 right now, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna wrap this stream up. I might join back again later on. Let me know. Y'all go comment on my last video. Drop some fire comments on there. Let me know if y'all want me to go back live again. See if we can get this stream to 100 likes. We only need 5 more likes, y'all. Let's see if we can do that before we get up out of here. Y'all rock with me. Appreciate these updates. We need only 3 more likes, y'all. 3 more. Salute to everybody that pulled up. Salute for y'all taking this serious. Salute for y'all taking y'all bag serious, for y'all taking y'all education serious. And we crossed that finish line of that 100 likes. We got 103 likes. Salute to everybody. Hope y'all have a blessed and wonderful, excellent day. Do something to improve yourself outside of the markets as well. Go hit the gym, you know, go read a book, you know, go spend some time with family, you know, go do something else positive to your life. Just because the markets are down does not mean that encompasses all areas of the rest of your life. So I'm December DeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.